Hi friends, welcome back to Arc Tutorials. This is yet another developer tool review, and in today's episode I am reviewing Froala, which is one of the best WYSIWYG editors. WYSIWYG stands for what you see is what you get. It's an editor that you can integrate into any application that you're building, be it Angular, React, Vue, or anything. Froala supports more than 30 plus languages, which means if you're working on any project, you can integrate Froala into it. Let's get started. I'm going to give you a brief and walkthrough of everything that Froala has, that it has to offer to you in order for you to consider in your application. A quick opening note. It's a beautifully designed, fast and lightweight rich text editor which is trusted by developers and enterprises for seamless editing experiences. Now let's talk about some of the core features first. It's pretty easy to use, right? I mean, you don't need any training, any manuals you don't need to conduct any lessons or sessions with your business users. They can start using it just like it comes naturally to them. It's lightweight and fast, which means it loads just under in few milliseconds and it's ready to use in your application. It supports inline editing, it supports cross-browser support and works with all major leading browsers like Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Edge. It's responsive design, which means it adapts to all screen sizes automatically, and it's mobile first kind of a layout. SEO friendly output generates clean semantic HTML, which is what you would need when you're looking for an editor. Any editor should also support the security and accessibility. Froala supports enterprise grade security with XSS protection, sanitization, and secure file handling. It also supports WCAG 2.1 compliance, which means it's accessible for users with disabilities. You can configure role-based permissions for your editor as well. Talking about the content, which is the heart and soul of any application that we are building, you can do image management, you can upload, resize, drag, align, caption, much more with images. It also supports file uploads. You can easily upload and manage files via cloud or local storage. It provides stable editing, video embeds, font and style control. For our power users, you can also switch to editor, which is code editor mode, and you can update or write the code in the editor. Productivity and collaboration, it saves time by auto save drafts. It provides real-time collaboration, undo, redo history, mentions and hashtags. Let's talk, this is the most important thing that you should know about any editor, especially Froala in this context. It supports more than 34 plus languages. It has cloud integration, works with AWS S3, Azure, Google Cloud. It supports third-party plugins like Grammarly, Spellcheck, etc. It's also ready to plug and play with any major leading CMS tool like WordPress, Drupal, Joomla, etc. So why does it stand out? For me, the standout quality lies in its polished UX, UI, and developer-centric extensibility. Unlike other editors, Froala is designed for developers, keeping them in mind, which makes it easy to build beautiful editing experiences in your application. I talked about advantages a little bit earlier. Let's do a quick recap. It has clean, responsive interface, provides super fast load performance. It has a rich set of built-in plugins, absolutely delightful documentation, and great example references on the website. It also supports right to left support for global languages like Arabic. It's mobile friendly and touch optimized. You can customize everything in the toolbar and the themes based on your brand, based on your application. A quick note to our developer friends, the frameworks that you are seeing are not limited. You can do everything. You can integrate Froala into JavaScript, React, Angular, Vue, jQuery, Django, Laravel, ASP, Ruby on Rails, and much more. Now comes the most exciting part of our review sessions, which is the rating. On a scale of 5, I give Froala 4.8, which is pretty excellent for any developer tool to come that close. Developer tools lack some or the other things, especially if you're talking about integrating into so many languages. But Froala is hands down one of the greatest editors that you can get. You can check them out at froala.com. That's the website you would go. You can go over the features and explore for yourself. Even better, if you don't want to go through all the features, just go to examples. Here you can just click, check all the examples that are available, and you can play with it before you consider using it in your application. There are so many examples, I can't go in this short time, but I can tell you based on my experience, it's one of the best editor out there that you can get. Besides, if you go to pricing plan, you will also see they have a free trial that you can use, evaluate, and make sure that it fits your requirements in your application. I cannot think of any application which Froala cannot fit in. If you know of anything, do let me know in the comment section. Till then, do let me know if you have used Froala Editor in your applications. What is your thoughts? What do you think about this tool? Till then, thank you so much for joining. Do hit that like button, share and subscribe. Till then, happy exploring apps with me. Write to me at surya.aradhya@gmail.com if you want to get featured on my channel. Thank you so much. See you in the next episode.